Hey, thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open here on my in my copy of Home Designer Pro 2019, and it appears to me. Let me go over here. Yeah, it appears to me that you've got show line weight turned on, and that's why the lines are so fat. If you zoom into the same area, I think this is it. See, I have show line weight not turned on. And show line weight's right there, line weight. And now you can see it's a visual anomaly. You turn show line weight off, nothing. You check it with a camera view, nothing. And there's no line there, there's no problem. It's just a visual. So, show line weight. It's also under here, under tools. Let's see, where is that damn thing? Maybe it's view. Yeah, there it is. Line weight. This command or this icon over here. So there's nothing wrong. I get the same visual you get when I turn on show line weight, but this is only show line weight is just to show you a preview of how relatively light and dark lines are going to print when you print. It has no other significance. I don't usually turn show line weight on when I'm editing the plan because it makes the line edges harder to see. I can't see if a wall is lined up properly or not. I don't have the snap grid on either. You have it on. That's fine. It's no big deal, and I don't think there's any big problem. Let's look at it with this camera. Nothing. There's no problem. What I would call you're cleaning something that's not dirty. It's just now I don't know why the show line weight tool makes it look like that. You'd have to be a computer programmer to answer that one. You're welcome to contact tech support over this if you like, but I wouldn't bother. It's not important. Okay, that's my opinion. I hope this helps you put this to rest, and talk to you later.